In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "We can't verify your subscription status" error in Adobe applications. The first solution you can try is reinstalling Adobe Creative Cloud. Uninstall the current version, download it again, and sign back in with your Adobe account credentials. After reinstalling, check if the issue is fixed. If the problem still appears, especially when working offline, you can try adjusting the Windows firewall settings. Open the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open it and select Advanced Settings. Next, go to Outbound Rules and create a new rule. Choose Program and click Next. Now browse for the Adobe application causing the issue, for example Adobe Photoshop, and select its executable file. Click Next, choose Block the Connection and continue. Make sure all profile options are checked, then click Next again. Give the rule a name, such as Photoshop, and click Finish. After creating the rule, restart the application and check if the subscription verification issue is resolved. And that's it. These steps may help fix the Adobe subscription status verification error.